Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say she is drinking juice. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. My favorite is orange juice. What about you? Let me know in the comments below. Today we continue learning the verb to drink. A reminder that there is no difference between she drinks and she is drinking in Russian. When we need to say she is drinking, in Russian we say она пьет, where она is she and пьет is drinking. And altogether it's она пьет. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word она. The first letter is O, and it's unstressed and is pronounced as A. Then we have N and A at the end. And altogether it's она. Она. Let's spell the word пьет. The first sound is P. Then we have soft sign. And soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have P. Then we have Ё and T at the end. And altogether it's пьет. Try saying it with me. Пьет. Well done. So far we've learned how to say she is drinking, where she is она and is drinking is пьет. Do you remember what is Russian for she? Она. What about is drinking? Пьет. Well done. And the last word for today is сок. Сок, which is Russian for juice. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word сок. The first sound is S, then goes O, and then we have K at the end. And altogether it's сок, сок, which is Russian for juice. Now you know how to say she is drinking juice in Russian. She is она, is drinking is пьет, and juice is сок. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Она is she. Пьет is drinking. Сок is juice. Она, она. Сок, сок. Пьет, пьет. Она. Do you remember where the other она is? Excellent. Сок. Do you know where the other сок is? Well done. Пьет. Пьет. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say she is drinking juice in Russian. She is она, is drinking is пьет, and juice is сок. And here is your bonus tip. A staple seasonal drink in Russia is березовый сок, which literally means birch juice. It actually is pure tree sap. It's full of nutrients and it's quite refreshing on a warm summer day. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. And I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.